In this video, we will talk about 5 things you must eliminate from your home immediately because they attract poverty and stagnation. It is crucial that you pay close attention to the information I am about to share, because if you feel stuck in a routine and everything you desire always seems out of reach, it is probably due to one or more of these 5 things. I will explain in detail what they are and why you should get rid of them. Before we start, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like and share our videos with everyone you love and wish a better life for. Comment below how open you are to receiving blessings from the universe and express your gratitude for everything. Let your words echo to infinity, attracting all that you desire. If you don't believe that your life can be transformed with the law of attraction, this video is not for you. Otherwise, watch until the end because it's important that you understand everything I have to say to ensure the results you desire. First, it's important to understand that everything in the world is energy. From you to every object in your house, everything has an energetic vibration that can propel you forward or hold you back. When I realized this, I began to closely observe every item I own and discovered that many had connections to my past. By eliminating them, I started to manifest miracles in my life that I had never imagined. Take a few minutes for yourself and pay attention, because this information is incredibly powerful. If you can apply it to your life, you will also see miracles happen. The 5 things I will detail now are related to the principle of vibration. Let's start with the first thing you should eliminate from your house: clothes you no longer wear. When you acquire a piece of clothing, it carries a specific energy according to the situation you are in. Surely you have experienced buying a piece of clothing you loved and wore frequently, but suddenly stopped wearing it. Do you know why? It's because you changed. We are constantly evolving, and what you liked yesterday may not resonate with you today. The clothes you no longer wear contain the energy of your past, which no longer aligns with your current energy. By not having the same energy, they stagnate your progress. Therefore, you should not keep clothes you no longer wear. Keep only the pieces you love that make you feel comfortable and that make you smile when you see yourself in the mirror. The rest can be donated if they are in good condition, or discarded if they are not. Before getting rid of these clothes, I will ask you to do a very important exercise. Hold the piece of clothing in your hands and express gratitude. Say, "Thank you for the moments we shared and the time we spent together." Why am I asking this? Because that piece of clothing has energy and needs to complete its cycle by saying goodbye with gratitude. When you wore it, it certainly brought wonderful moments. The second thing that blocks your energy is broken objects. It could be a kitchen utensil, a decorative item like a vase, a mirror, a painting, or anything else you have in your house. Remember, your home is your temple, and you must take care of it. If something is broken, you should not try to fix it by gluing the parts together. It is already broken, and having something broken in your home is a great thief and blocker of energy. Do the same as you did with the clothes. Say goodbye to it with gratitude for the service it provided and discard it. The third thing is dirty or worn-out shoes. I learned this from one of my greatest metaphysics teachers. The journey of your life is guided by the shoes you wear. You should always keep them clean and in good condition. When you come home, clean them so that any external energy they carry does not enter your temple. If they are worn out, do you want a broken path in your life? I imagine not. Try to do your best to replace them with new ones. They are the ones that guide you every day, bearing the weight of your physical body and absorbing all the energy when you are outside. Please, always try to keep them clean and in good condition. The fourth thing you should not have in your house requires a lot of attention because most people usually have these items. I'm talking about objects and clothes of people who are no longer with you, who are no longer on this plane. Memories should remain only in your mind. The rest is energy. If that person is no longer present, let them go. Allow them to continue their journey. Do not interrupt their process because if you do, all you will achieve is more stagnation in your own home. Only have things that are part of your present. The past is already dead. It no longer exists. As someone said, let the dead bury their own dead. The fifth and last thing you should eliminate is clutter. The energy in your house must flow freely. The lighter your environment is, the more energy will circulate. Try to keep your house organized. Open the windows to let air and sunlight in. Do not leave anything in the way. Try to perfume your house with beautiful plants that bring joy to your heart. Make your bed every morning and thank it for providing you with rest. Remember, it is also energy. Try to make your house as harmonious as possible. It's not about luxury but about energy in motion. With a clean and harmonious house, when you start applying these 5 points I gave you, you will feel a significant change. You will feel lighter and see how situations in your life start to resolve. Let the energy flow and your life will improve completely. Don't just take my word for it, try it yourself. One day, a great metaphysics teacher told me, "If you want your present to be wonderful, your past must die." Clean your house, eliminate all that negative energy that no longer resonates with you, and soon you will see miracles happen. The fifth and last thing you should eliminate is clutter. The energy in your house must flow freely. The lighter your environment is, the more energy will circulate. Try to keep your house organized. Open the windows to let air and sunlight in. Do not leave anything in the way. Try to perfume your house with beautiful plants that bring joy to your heart. Make your bed every morning and thank it for providing you with rest. Remember, it is also energy. Try to make your house as harmonious as possible. It's not about luxury, but about energy in motion. With a clean and harmonious house, when you start applying these 5 points I gave you, you will feel a significant change. You will feel lighter and see how situations in your life start to resolve. Let the energy flow and your life will improve completely. Don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself. One day, a great metaphysics teacher told me, "If you want your present to be wonderful, your past must die. Clean your house, eliminate all that negative energy that no longer resonates with you, and soon you will see miracles happen." As I conclude this video, remember that the state of our home greatly impacts our energy and overall well-being. It's incredible how simple changes in our surroundings can have a profound effect on our lives. By getting rid of things like clothes you no longer wear, broken objects, and items associated with loved ones who have passed away, we create space for positive energy to flow freely. This reminds us that everything around us carries energy. It's like a dance between our environment and our own energy. When we consciously choose to surround ourselves with things that align with our present selves, we open the doors for incredible transformations. We reinforce the power of gratitude as we say goodbye to our belongings. It's a way to honor the role they played in our lives and embrace the new chapter that awaits us. Additionally, it's rewarding to eliminate clutter and create space for things we truly love and resonate with. Creating a harmonious and vibrant living space is not about perfection or expensive decoration. It's about infusing our home with positive vibrations. Whether it's by opening windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, adding beautiful plants, or simply keeping everything organized, these small but impactful steps invite miracles into our lives. It's like a domino effect. As we align our physical environment with our energy, we begin to experience positive changes and a sense of lightness. It's an exciting journey of self-discovery and intentional living. Therefore, I encourage you to take action and embark on this journey of creating a space that nurtures your spirit and fuels your progress. See how these changes reflect in other areas of your life. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and by harmonizing its energy, you are setting the stage for amazing things to happen. Let's embrace the power of our environment, let positive energy flow, and witness the magic unfold in our lives. If you enjoyed the information I shared, leave a comment, like the video, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel to keep learning. Until the next video, may God always bless you. Thank you very much.